i35equipment.com. This is the LinkBelt 250X4 long arm, or they call it the long front hydraulic track excavator. Fantastic machine for digging deep or digging out way out in your pond so you don't get too close with your tracks to the muck and mud and get bogged down. It's actually one of the nicest excavators I believe we've ever had here. Runs and operates excellent. Don't take our word for it. We welcome you to come look at it for yourself. You can bring your mechanic and operator or hire someone who wants to come to you. Just give us a call to get on the calendar. We want to make sure we have the gate open for you, and happy to have you out. Phone number is 405-833-6437. If you're not familiar with LinkBelt, that's pretty much just a red case. Very, very similar to the Case 250 long arm. If you're familiar with those machines, as we go around and check out all the access panels and the interior, you'll see exactly what I mean. They build a real high quality machine. If you'd like hauling quote, getting this shipped to your farm, ranch, or job site, shouldn't be too big of a job. Just fill out the form on the website, text or email, share that delivery address with several callers and a nationwide broker. Get back the best rate that comes back to us. Of course, we do welcome you to arrange for your own home. Come pick it up for yourself if you're so equipped. Now, that's a pretty nice Esco bucket on the front. However, if you need a different size bucket, we do have quite a few buckets in stock right now, both new and used. See our full inventory buckets online at www.i35equipment.com. Our specialty here is consignment sales. So if you or someone you know has idle heavy equipment, just fill out the form on the website or give us a call to learn more about our consignment sales service. We do have folks all over the country looking for good, ready-to-work equipment. We can help you get your machinery sold. Does have a hot heat, cold AC, lots of power, dual travel speeds, horn, reversal arm, travel arm, just about everything else. We're going to let him climb out of the operator station while we take a look outside. We'll look at the motor, all the access panels, the bucket real close, and then we'll hop up in the operator station and take a look around inside there. Now this bucket does have the bolt-on cutting edge. And from my point of view here, it doesn't look like the other side's been used yet. So you could always unbolt that or cut those bolts off and flip it around and start over with the other side. Very quiet operating machine. Go ahead and check out the undercarriage over here. This is an excellent machine in my opinion. If it doesn't quite fit your needs or what you're looking for, you can always see our full and up-to-date inventory of equipment online at www.i35equipment.com. Work hard to keep that website up to date so you know what's on there and is available. Very clean in here. Looks excellent. You're supposed to check the hydraulic fluid with your arm folded down. The arm's out right now. That hydraulic fluid is level, should be perfect when it's folded the way it's supposed to be folded for checking. Storage underneath the step here. Take some tools or grease or what have you along. Still has a hand and safety rails up here and around on that side. Kawasaki pump. A lot of the companies use that. It's a good one. You see them used a lot. I'm not seeing any blow by at all. Trying to see what size it is.
5.193 liter. What to do with one hand.
That's your diesel fill. That's your hydraulic reserve fill. Looks like a really well cared for machine. Not beat up, bent up, or anything. Rear view camera. We have all the guards and panels are there, looking good. Two new Duracell batteries. It does have a pattern control switch underneath this box. You can see the different pattern control options here. They call it C and T. We call it excavator and backhoe. And open this cabinet. Feel that working heat in there today. We've got a cold day out here, so the heat is pretty nice. All right, currently sitting at only 34:07 hours. Looking right through the camera. HVAC controls are here to gauge the hydraulics. Just flipping this little switch. Nice and easy. Got a foot pedal there for travel control. No codes, no lights, nothing weird showing. Over here on this side, of course, your ignition, but also your throttle control. You got a auxiliary input, USB, and your radio's right there. Do appreciate you taking time to watch. Like I said before, if you have any questions, just give us a shout. Phone number again is 405-833-6437. Website is www.i35equipment.com. Thanks for watching. I hope you have a wonderful day.